Okay, so today is day one. I know I'm not looking my best right now. I really don't care what anybody's opinion is of me. We've worked all day, been to Lowe's, God knows how many times. So here's day one of the gutting and repairing. And we have 6 sheets of Advantech flooring. These are 4x8 sheets. We have tore out the subfloor. Let's go do this first. We got these in here because we've got the floor tore all the way up from there, from that edge to here. Haha, look at my black feet. And all the way over to here. While we had the subfloor out, we discovered the duct vent that comes up does not have any tape around it. So I'm going to do a vlog on that tomorrow. We were just in a hurry today. We were doing a race against the rain. So duct, septic, water lines, electric lines are over here. This is where most of the water came out at. And it doesn't look that bad, but the smell kind of, I don't want to get down in there because I've got the camera on. Oh well, real girls get their hands dirty, right? It doesn't actually look that bad. Oh, but it's wet though. If you could, you can still feel the water in it. That's still saturated. So that's where a lot of the water ran out. And I have old clothes on, so everybody says they don't like my clothing. Well, I don't like to wear good clothing anyway because usually I'm doing work. So that's that. This is for today. Tomorrow we're going to have to go and put a 2x4 along the base of the wall here to give this securement. I think he's going to cut up pieces 2x6 and put along there. We got screws and adhesive to go here. I went to Lowe's today and told the guy, I said, ouch, where's your ductwork? Oh, by the way, these things got staples in the ends of them. I just stepped on one. They hurt. I said, where's your duct tape? He shows me this. I said, duct tape. The aluminum kind with the adhesive back. He said, this will work. I said, no, this will not work. I said, my father worked for heat and ventilation air conditioning for 60-some years. I know what I'm talking about. Still swore that I was wrong. So I'm going to let my husband go to Lowe's and take care of them. So that's it for today. We've tore all the subfloor out. We have it outside burning. Huh? See how your little even Alice helped today. Look at her. Did you help us today? I want to tell y'all a trick that I found out. So please overlook my mess. This is when the disaster starts. We are going to do away with all the kitchen cabinets. The top and the display cabinet. And we'd rather use our time doing real work. So I put an ad on Craigslist. Free cabinets you must remove and haul off for free. So we don't have to do the work. I had 10 people to message me, when can I come and get these ASAP? I've got 10 people lined up for all of the kitchen cabinets, and I'm like, oh my gosh. I was like, and I told my husband about it, and he was like, okay, so I'm going to email the people and tell them it might be about a week. But we will get there. So it'll be all of these, this, all of this, that, maybe that. That I'm not sure. Of course, that doesn't go because that's the exhaust fan. So if you have something you want to get rid of like that, put you a free ad on Craigslist. It'll get gone for free. Trust me. The only thing that I told them that they have to leave is the kitchen sink. So that works for me. Hey, if someone wants to spend the time and effort pulling this stuff out and not us, that leaves more time for us to do something to get us a little bit further along in this. As far as the flooring and paint, ouch, oh God, what did I just hit my foot on? It's in between these two floors here and probably this or this paint. So we've got that far. Alrighty, just a quick update. It is coming along. Gonna take some time. I've been wanting to do vlogs of us actually working, but I've been running so much. I've been doing 4 things at one time. So thank y'all for watching. I'm tired, I'm dirty, and it's time for a shower. Thank you for watching.